What's going on, everybody? It's Tony from Blue Ridge Auto Group here in Asheville, North Carolina. Today I wanted to take a few minutes and give you a tour of our facility and show you the place where we do rentals and car storage. Come on with me and let's have a look. The best thing about this location is we're 1 mile away from the Asheville Regional Airport. For any Toro or car rental business in general, this is huge. You have to be able to deliver and pick up cars from the airport in a timely manner, or else it's going to cost you tons of money and labor hours. Right here's our C8 Corvette. This has been a really fun rental. We've had some ups and downs with it, so we're going to post a video on that to show you guys the road we've been through with this car, so stay on the lookout for that. This is our lounge area. So we do have a very nice kitchen. This is set up for our employees or customers to be able to come in, grab a drink, watch TV. We do have a microwave for them to reheat stuff and really just hang out while they're doing paperwork or while they are getting their car detailed. So we do have a nice little sitting area, really cool shelf, car themed. Everything in this is meant to be car themed and oriented for classic, vintage, and even modern era cars. This is where all the paperwork gets done, all the magic happens. This is where a customer can come in, they can customize their rental, pick which car they want, fill out paperwork. This is the beauty right here. This is probably my favorite area in the whole building for two reasons. One, we have some comfy seating and we have some big TVs. So you can watch sports, you can watch F1 race, anything you want in here. Hang out and just meet new people who are like-minded. We do have a ping pong / pool table just to add a little bit of fun on a hard work day or if you're waiting around. We do have some nice bathrooms for our customers to use. We do take pride in trying to provide a clean place. So this is where the real magic is, the Garage Mahal. This is approximately 10,000 square foot of storage. We do have lifts that give us 2 levels of storage. I think it's amazing because you can make the most out of a smaller space. So we love this area. Our customers are able to put the car up on a lift if they're storing it here and tinker with it, check if the car has any leaks or any issues like that. So it's a big convenience maker. None of these cars in here are for rent except for the Audi RS5. That is one of our most popular and luxurious options. But other than that, we just have some eye candy sitting here for our customers to look at. All right, so moving on with the tour, this is our back garage. This is when a car comes back from a rental. We pull it in here, give it a full detail, and leave it in here until it goes on the next rental. So let me show you around here. This is one of our beautiful 2022 C8 Corvettes we have for rent. We do have additional storage back here. If you take a look, we do have some classics, some old stuff back here. We have Dylan over here getting the vehicle ready for its next rental. We give every vehicle an interior and exterior detail, and we sanitize it between customers. We also do ceramic coating and full professional detailing. If you want to bring your car in, leave it here for a few days and get detailed. So that's another amenity we offer. Let me go and show you on around here at all the parking we have. We have some more rentals sitting out here. And overall, this is just a beautiful property for our customers to come, hang out, and see what we have to offer. It just loops back around to the front, and I'll go ahead and show you our patio where we host events. So what you're about to see right around here is our patio. This is a great hangout spot on a nice sunny day. Do some grilling out, hang out with the friends, and talk cars. All right, everybody, that's Blue Ridge Auto Group. I hope you've liked what you've seen. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.